everyone. We're about to do a math review lesson, but I wanted to show you baby. He was being pretty feisty earlier, so now he's calmed down. And baby, can you say hi? Honey, can you say hi? Hi everybody. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let him go. Baby, can you see the camera? Look, oh, there you go, I told you. Look, say hi. Hi. Okay, I'll let you go. Oh gosh, he's barely 1 year old and he acts like a 100-year-old. Okay, here we go. All right, so I hope you have your math books because we're going to be using these every day. All right, so I want you to remember that practice. When you practice, it makes you better at math. And so the more you practice, the better you're going to get. So don't forget that, all right? So some of you have worked on your review 3 on page 83. And so I thought I would just do one problem, one problem for each concept that you have been learning, and just let this be something quick because I know that we need to have time to just look over it and do a little bit of practice or maybe make some corrections. So I'm going to go ahead and start that with you. Now on number 1, we have 451, and that number is written in words. And all they want you to do is write it in standard form. And what standard form is, you just write the number. Just write the number. You're not having to spell it. You're not having to put it in place value in a chart or anything. You're just writing 451. So this is in words, and it says write it in number form. Okay, that's all we had to do. So if it's 451 in words, all you're writing is 451. Okay. Let's move on. That's easy. The next thing is writing numbers. If you picture a number chart in your head, you are adding a number or you're going to subtract a number, or they want you to move up 10, move down plus 10 or subtract 10. So envision a money chart. And here are not a money chart, I'm sorry, a number chart. So we have our number chart, and we're going to pretend that it is 1,000 here, and all they're asking you is what number is less than 1,000. Well, we know that if we go backwards, it's going to be from 1,000. All you're doing is taking 1 away and counting backwards. Okay, so 999. The next number would be 1,000 if you were to go this way. So since they want you to give a number less, it would be 999. All right, so this one's a little bit more tricky, and I'm just going to move on to the letter C, and it says, what is 100 more than 808? So here we have, so you have 808, and they want you to go 100 more. Yes, so it's the same thing. You are, instead of using the ones or the tens, they're asking for you to move up in the hundreds place. All that means is that you add